Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online classes of Iqra Huffaz Boys Secondary School, a project of Iqra Education System of Pakistan. This video session is for English text for class 7 and this is lecture number 1. My dear students, today we are starting our first unit and the name of first unit is effects of our actions on the environment. Effects of our actions on the environment. हमारे आमाल के माहौल पर असरात. But before reading an explanation, we will go through the new words and their meanings in English and in Urdu and their parts of speech as well. बेटा इससे पहले कि हम इसकी रीडिंग और एक्सप्लेनेशन की तरफ जाएं, हम इसके न्यू वर्ड्स को डिस्कस करेंगे ताकि व्हेन वी रीड द लेसन वी डू नॉट फेस एट एनी डिफ़िकल्टी, ताकि जब हम चैप्टर पढ़ें तो हमें किसी तरह की कोई प्रॉब्लम ना आए, हमें डिफ़िकल्ट और न्यू वर्ड्स की मीनिंग आती हो. सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट वर्ड एंड द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज़ enthusiastic. Enthusiastic. It means very excited. Very excited, and Urdu meaning is purjosh. How we can use this word in a sentence? हम इस word को अपने sentence में कैसे इस्तेमाल करेंगे? Enthusiastic. I am enthusiastic to participate in a speech competition. I am enthusiastic to participate in a speech competition. The second word is social campaigns. Social campaigns means activities to make people aware about something. यानी समाजी सरगर्मियाँ, लोगों को किसी चीज़ के बारे में बताना, समझाना, उनमें अवेयरनेस पैदा करना सोशल कैंपेन कहलाता है. एग्जाम्पल, we will start a social campaign about pollution. The third word is involved. Involved. Involved means made them take part. शामिल करना या शामिल किया. My teacher involved us in different activities. The fourth word is honked. The fourth word is honked. Honked means blew the horn. Blew the horn. मतलब हॉर्न बजाना. हॉर्न बजाना. The man honked all night and I could not sleep. वो आदमी ने सारी रात हॉर्न बजाया और मैं नहीं सो पाया. The fifth word is fumes. Fumes. Fumes means dangerous smoke having a strong smell. Dangerous smoke having a strong smell means खतरनाक बुखारात. खतरनाक बुखारात. Example, mosquitoes in the house may be destroyed by the fumes of burning sulfur. Mosquitoes in the house may be destroyed by the fumes of burning sulfur. The next word is emitted. Emitted. Produced. निकलना. The black smoke was emitting from the truck. मैंने यहाँ पे फॉर्म को चेंज किया है, emitted से emitting किया है. emit का मतलब निकलना. तो the black smoke was emitting from the truck. ट्रक से काला धुआं निकल रहा था. The next word is purposeless. Purposeless means without any purpose, बिना मकसद. क्या मतलब बेटा? बगैर किसी मकसद के, जिसका कोई मकसद ना हो उसे कहते हैं purposeless. I got fed up because of purposeless honking on the road. The next word is assign. Assign means give. Give means dena. Example, my teacher always assigns me a difficult task. And the ninth word is deadlines. Deadlines. Deadlines means the date by which something will be completed. मुकर्ररा वक्त यानी किसी वक्त तक, किसी तारीख तक किसी काम को कंप्लीट कर लेना डेडलाइंस कहलाता है. एग्जाम्पल, द बोर्ड हैज़ अनाउंस्ड द डेडलाइन टू सबमिट फॉर्म्स. 10th word is tasks. Tasks means work that has to be done. Task means work that has to be done. काम जो करना है, कोई ऐसा काम जो हमें करना है उसे हम कहते हैं टास्क. My teacher has given me 3 tasks today. आज मेरी टीचर ने मुझे 3 काम करने को दिए हैं. The 11th word is reviewed. Reviewed. Reviewed means check something to see if any change is needed. मतलब किसी चीज़ पे दोबारा गौर करना, कहीं कोई इसमें गलती तो ना रह गई है. Example, I will review your application. मैं आपकी दरख्वास्त पर दोबारा गौर करूँगा. The last word is attendees. Attendees means people who attended a program or meeting. People who attended a program or meeting. शिरकत करने वाले, शिरकत करने वाले. How many attendees were there in the program? प्रोग्राम में शिरकत करने वाले कितने थे? Here we have discussed all 12 words meaning. Now you have to do the exercise on page number 6. Then you have to make a chart in your copy. And then you have to learn it by heart. This is your homework. I hope you have understood well, but if you find any difficulty in solving this exercise, you may text us. We will give you an immediate feedback. Assalamu alaikum.